This is Apache Pier. It's located in between the main part of Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach on the South Carolina seacoast. It's a very popular place for vacationers to come. These males displayed a lot of different behaviors, but one of the ones I thought was most interesting and enjoyed watching was their characteristic heads-up display and posturing at each other. This is a way of asserting their dominance and fending off other males. A characteristic call of the boat-tailed grackles is this very loud jeep, 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 which we'll demonstrate here.